BE Aerospace is a major manufacturer for aircraft interiors, right? So we build anything on the inside of an airplane. I think about it as anything on the inside of an aircraft that doesn't help it fly.
So the main challenges we had, mainly, we have multiple vendors, we have multiple ERP systems, we have BE traditionally grown through acquisitions. And whenever we bought all these different companies, right, we never integrated all the systems. So now, we had all these different silos of different, ERP systems. And the biggest challenge was, how to get all that together.
KPIT is very flexible with us in an ever-changing industry and an ever-changing product.
We chose KPIT because of their experience. We chose KPIT also because they were willing to work with us on how we develop and trust that they're going to give me the right knowledge, the right expertise, the right advice as any of the guys from my team sitting around the table.
When I look at KPIT, what I see that really is big around innovation, it's woven into the fabric of the culture itself. I mean, it's a very big part of what we saw there. There's a process that is in place there that breeds that and fosters that, and then on the backside of that brings forth ideas that are commercially viable.
And that's where KPIT comes in. They integrated the JD Edwards ERP system along with the Webcenter platform. And what it does is, with their KPIT's adapter, it helps us seamlessly integrate the two platforms so that the user doesn't have to go to multiple systems. It saves time, it saves productivity.
So we do consider KPIT to be an expert in the manufacturing and distribution vertical, particularly as it comes to our implementation of Enterprise One. So from that, there's value that we receive because of their breadth of expertise across many different industry verticals, so that our solution is not just geared to what we do today, but to best practices that might be deployed in other industry verticals that we can then bring into our solution, and thereby making our solution more robust and valuable to BE Aerospace.
Another innovation in social networking, right? They built a social network module for JD Edwards.
And honestly, I'm able to turn to a lot of my KPIT friends sitting at the table with me and say, hey, is that real? When I look up around the table, I'm not always sure which ones are my direct reports as far as, BEIT employees versus KPIT employees.
So KPIT is a strategic partner for BE Aerospace. KPIT brings a breadth of experience in JD Edwards that we couldn't find in another integrator.
Oh, in the BI front, KPIT worked with Oracle and built a procurement and spend analytics module for JD Edwards.